Audrey, eto, excited na ako. Nakarinig ka ba na nung namimigay ng mga pagkain? Alam ko, gustong-gusto mo yan.
Pero
Hindi
ito,
lang ikaw si John Lloyd.
okay, Denise Cornejo. Maraming salamat.
Alright,
Baka
pero
magkaroon tayo
Audrey-
ng mga bashers. Anyway,
Eto, meron tayong alamin na programa ngayon. Ito yung Beef Sharing Program 2014. So ito po ay the Integrative Center for Advancement and Development or ICAD Foundation together with the Turkish Chamber of Commerce of the Philippines Incorporated or TCCP and its partners will be giving tons of beef to their beneficiaries to promote peace, love, and understanding. To know more about this, let us all welcome our very special guest. Let us all welcome Mr. Irfan Karabulut, President, Turkish Chamber of Commerce of the Philippines. We also have Jinanghir Arslan, President, Pacific Dialogue Foundation Incorporated. Good morning. Welcome to
sir.
Good Morning, Boss.
Good morning. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga. All right. To start off, can you tell us more about ICAD Foundation?
It is Integrative Center for Alternative Development. It's a foundation, non-stock, non-profit. Since 1997, it was established by Filipino businessmen and Turkish businessmen. So this is good for education, and there are some schools under this foundation. 2 schools in Manila, in San Juan City, and 1 school in Mindanao. All those schools are international schools.
All right. So you have many projects and programs, and one of them is the Beef Sharing Program.
Yes,
So can you tell us
exactly.
more about this?
Yeah, this is an annual program. We are distributing beef to the people of Philippines, and we get the donations and from Turkish businessmen. They just send their donations and sharing to Filipino people, and here we do this annually and distribute to Filipino people.
oh, sir, why did you choose beef sharing as a project to promote peace and understanding with different cultures?
Actually, it's not different culture. I am considering and thinking it's same culture. We are doing this not only for the Philippines, full world, all around world, but of course Philippines countries, Republic of the Philippines, special for us, which we are earning here. We are working with Filipino businessmen. We don't want to get this money, and some Turkish businessmen donating here, which the ICAT did before. In Tacloban's disasters donations programs. This is also one of our traditional yearly programs. As you know, the life is not only entertainment, not only business. Sometimes to share it with everything with people's love and peace. So that's part of these programs. And I think Mr. Jahangir will give more information about that. We are organizing this not only with Turkish people. There are many Filipino associations, organizations, and government agencies. So we are working with them.
All right. So I read last year cows were slaughtered the halal way. So this is more of to promote Muslim community and Christian community to be integrated or to siguro yung parang mag-aswan sila, integrate?
That's a good question.
Yeah, this is actually a really good question because the beef sharing program maybe makes closer Muslims and Christians because it's a tradition of Prophet Abraham since the history, and then we just do this as Muslims and also share with Christians. We don't distribute only to the Muslims also.
Is this
Also, some excuse me, some Filipino Christian, they Catholic, I know, they donate us to give these programs. So that's good assistant programs to do together.
All right. So again, this is also to promote good relationship with the Muslim and Christian community. So how long have you been doing this?
Since 2002, we do this activity in Philippines.
So this is the 12th year of
Yes.
your doing of beef sharing.
Yes, exactly.
Is
12
this a
years.
tradition in Turkey?
Yes, of course. It's actually a religious tradition, maybe 3,000 years.
3,000
Yeah,
years.
yes, since Prophet Abraham. So we follow this tradition.
All right. So I also read that you did the beef sharing program last year at Baguio City. So can you share to our viewers what happened?
We are actually doing not only in Baguio City. We are doing this in, I think, around 10 different points in Philippines, like Baguio, Manila.
All right, so you're moving around,
Yes.
distributing tons of beef.
Yes, we are slaughtering the cows in those 10 different cities.
And then you're coordinating with the local government.
Yes, our government agencies like Philippine Army and San Juan Mayor and then Quezon Mayor and Mandaluyong Mayor and BCDA. So we work with these agencies.
All right, the important question, who are the beneficiaries?
Yes, as I said, we are working with these government agencies and they are finding these indigent people and the
All
poor
right,
people.
indigent
The poor people.
Yes.
So,
How many people can be, well, you will be giving 13 tons of beef.
Yes, and we are distributing the beef as long as they come with this beef coupon. So this beef
how can
coupon.
they register? Or
Yeah.
do you have any qualifications?
No, we just give the coupon to government offices and then they distribute
Oh,
to those people. And as long as they bring this, so we give them 2 kilos beef.
Alright, so again, to our interested viewers, ibibigay po, i-distribute po itong coupons to different government agencies, and from there, they will be the one distributing the coupons to the families or to the people na sinabi nga nila, poor families yung bibigyan ng 2 kilos of beef.
At mangyayari po ito sa may number 15 Wilson Street, West Green Hills, San Juan, Metro Manila sa darating na October 5, alas 10 hanggang alauna ng hapon.
Alright, so this will be held at San Juan, Metro Manila, right across Cardinal Santos Medical Center on October 5, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. only. So, ayan po.
But without this coupon,
Yeah.
they cannot receive any beef. So,
Alright, so without the coupon, they cannot receive the beef. Alright.
So the distribution is
Yes.
up to the local
And
government.
there are here over there programs, astronomical programs, all officials joining. I think your good TV also will be joining these programs, and we are like ceremonying like one party together. And after that, we are also offering our guests some beef, cooked beef, already ready beef. So just it's like ceremony. It's like not one of the religion organization. Just do you know the Philippines like many party and many organizations. Every places, every cities, there are own festivals. It's like one of the festival. We are joining over than 7,000 peoples.
Alright, to those our viewers today who would like to extend their help to your foundation or to your beef sharing program, how can they, in their own little way, contribute or help your foundation?
If they would like to help or contribute something, so they can maybe call our office and they can just send their donation, and then we can also do together with them in this program, beef sharing program.
Alright, so we're just wondering why beef, not chicken or pork?
Actually, this is four-legged and ruminant animals can be. So not only cow, it can be also goat, it can be sheep. So those animals can be.
And it's a religious thing.
Yes, it's a religious, yes. And why beef? It's more practical.
Yes.
More beef.
But again, we
More
would
meat,
like to remind our viewers out there that they cannot receive the beef without the coupon. So again, this will be the ICAD Foundation will distribute the coupons to the different government agencies, and they will the one to distribute it to the poor families. And if you want, to our interested viewers, they can just help and contribute in their own little way by calling the ICAD Foundation.
Most welcome. Also, just our organizations, not only beef sharing. Every year, we have many charity and festival organizations with the language and Tacloban programs we did, and many others. We love to work with Filipinos peoples.
All right.
Thanks.
So again, this is also their program is to promote social responsibility through charitable works and service to the community. All right. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Before we end, do you have any message to our viewers, or would you like to invite them to your Beef Sharing Program 2014?
Yes, we are inviting actually the government offices and then to your also TV channel to our program. So you are welcome to join to our program. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity to us.
Okay, good luck,
Maraming
sir.
salamat sa ating lahat.
Maraming salamat. Mabuhay po kayo and good luck on your beef sharing program and to the ICAD Foundation. Alright, that was Mr. Irfan Karabulut, President ng Turkish Chamber of Commerce of the Philippines, and of course, Mr. Jinanghir Arslan, President, Pacific Dialogue Foundation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.